Hi, and welcome back to Movin' and Groovin'. My name is Sam, and I wanted to share a few modifications that I've made on my machine so far. These are the most recent things that I've added. This is my D-Series rigid work lamp. Now, why did I add this? Well, I go ice fishing quite a bit, and I wanted a light that would project back towards my gear, so that I could see if anything would fall out and to make sure that things stay in my tow sled. I purchased this little light cover, and now you can see the traditional blue-white light that this has to offer. And it's mounted to the rear XT bumper. A couple weeks ago, I made a video on my SR Pro rigid light bar. This is what we call more of a traditional light bar, not a diffused lens. It has 2 flood lamps, 2 spot and 2 flood, and again, a high quality build light. This is mounted on the XT bumper. It is not the Expedition bumper. I was able to mount it with a motorcycle style mounting bracket to the light bar. The next feature, I'll need to have the machine turned on. These are my heated grips made by Can-Am, and my heated throttle lever. My last feature is a light that I'll use for plowing. I'll turn it on. There's a red indicator light. And then the next switch over allows me to pick the pattern. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching.